Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having a good day so far. This is going to be the part 2 of my how to make a YouTube channel thing. So we're going to start off today by, I'm going to show you my microphone and a couple other things. So yeah, let's get into the video. GC598. This is by Taxstar. You can get it on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It's like, 15-20 bucks, depends. Amazon goes up and down. So yeah, let's open it up. This is a more shotgun style microphone. It's packaged pretty well. We have like, foam piece on the top, instructions of course, little manual. To be honest, I mean nobody reads it, but yeah. This is the microphone. You can see right here we have a couple settings. We have 10 decibel boost here. We have this button right here. This will make this will like kind of tone out your higher sounds, and I don't know. I don't use it that often. You don't really need it unless you're doing super professional stuff, which I'm not. And an on and off button. It takes one AA battery. It actually comes with it. I've had this microphone for over a year now, so it's done pretty good. It comes with a battery though, so that's always a plus. But yeah, inside the box we have, of course, the microphone and just a little baggie here full of replacement. Like, these are little stabilizers. You can see they're on the front right here. There's 4 of them here, and then there's 4 of them on the back. This just makes it so that vibration won't affect your sound in any way, so that the quality is nice. So I'm going to switch over to it and show you guys how it sounds like compared to just my camera audio. Alright guys, so this is what the microphone sounds like. You can see it's right here. I have it plugged into my camera. It probably sounds a lot better than my normal microphone. It's a shotgun style mic, so as you can see it doesn't work as better when you go further away from that top part. You have 180 degrees right here. Probably doesn't sound the same, but as I come closer to that middle top point, it gets a lot better. So this is the shotgun style microphone compared to, and I'm going to go back to the camera microphone so you guys can hear that one again and you can decide. Obviously I think this one is better, but yeah. Alright guys, this is just the normal camera audio. I could just say a couple things. I could keep talking right now and just go on. This is what it sounds like. It's pretty good. It has a left and right channel, so 2 microphones together. So it sounds pretty good. It's pretty decent, but I think I still like the shotgun style more. But yeah, sounds pretty okay. The last thing I do recommend is that you buy it's like a desktop mount for your microphone. You can look it up. It would be like a microphone mount for a desk. They're like 20 bucks. They're not that expensive, but you should definitely pick one of those up if you are a voiceover person like me. Sometimes when I do my Super Mech videos, the game, I'll voice over them after and record that on the shotgun mic, and it's really good if you have a mount. I'm about to get one because it's really hard to just find the perfect spot, or if you're playing a game you can't be holding the microphone at the same time. So really recommended that you either buy a mount, you can try and use a tripod if you have one, or just I don't know, clamp it onto something, but the mount really helps if you're one of those kind of people. So yeah guys, overall a great microphone. I'm gonna put it back in the box. It's a great place to keep it. I'm just using the camera microphone, of course, so I can record the video about the microphone. So I guess we're just gonna put it away, and we'll see you guys next time.